Simple is for modern eating. Fatty, a bad for you, my man. Simple.
Hey there, and welcome to What is Food News. And today is very special. We're going to do a crab boil, inspired by the Crafty Crab, as well as the Hot and Juicies and the Joe's Crab Shacks. Because through the years, I was first introduced to the bag type of eating crab through Joe's. And then I heard about the Hot and Juicy. But Crafty Crab came up with an economical crab bag, and it didn't cost all that much. But I just wanted to do it myself. And as I was doing it and looking at all the ingredients, I said, hey, man, we got the What is Food News this thing, So we got, let's see what we got here. We got a bag of crabs, big boy crabs, crab legs. Got some corn on the cob. And we got some shrimp. We got some baby scallops. And we got some, we're not going to do the pork, so we got some turkey sausage, as well as crawfish. I got a bunch of seasonings. So we're going to do this. Oh, yeah, we got red potatoes. So we're going to start boiling those and get this thing going. So right now, we're just not winging it, but never done this before. And I know it's going to turn out amazing. So I'm just overwhelmed because I don't know where to start first, and I'm hungry. I want to get this thing going now. So I guess we're going to make our sauce. Okay, get our crabs cooking. No, we're going to make the sauce. Make these sausage. So let's get these sausages on the grill right now. No, pause. Yeah. Okay, let's cook the sausage. Let's get this going. Period. I like to wash it off. Veggies, produce, you name it. I gotta wash it off, man. I know it's in a package and all like that, but it gotta be washed. You understand? We got on sausage. Shouldn't take too long because it's still gonna cook in our sauce, but we just want to make sure let's cook. So we just cut these up into little pieces. So this is going to be part of it. Also, some garlic. I think we're going to probably dice up the garlic and let it cook with the sausage. I think that'll be cool. So let's get this garlic. It should cook really fast. This burner is really amazing. And we already got some red potatoes boiling up there. They're already boiling up. And real good. So, yeah. Just work with us. Get these sausages going. Okay. Oh, yeah. Your boy a real cook, though, but we really just want to get the news out to people. And really think about what you're putting in your body, That's what is food is all about. Things like that. But everybody like to eat crabs in the summertime. And so if the lines is too long at the restaurant, so you still, because we still gonna be doing a lot of social distancing, you can do stuff yourself, I'm not going to put a lot of time into mincing up no garlic because we're going to put minced garlic in the sauce, but we still want the fresh garlic in there. So we're going to turn the pot on first. Shebang. Can you turn on the pot for me something, brother? Stick a whole stick of butter up in there. There's one stick. Whole stick up there, man. This might not be the healthiest dish or meal, but it's fun and it's tasty. So, hey, can't argue with that sometimes. I already smell it. It smells delicious. The garlic and the sausages. Oh, man. I can already smell this thing is coming together better than I could even imagine. Just the smell, the aroma. Turn this down a little bit. Butter shouldn't be sizzling like that. Put another stick in there, why not? Let it simmer down, baby. Oh, it's all about this sauce. We got the minced garlic. Take a little bit. We're not gonna put the whole thing in there for sure, no. Okay, because we moving fast and trying to make this video. Looks like we're making a mess. Cleaning is gonna be fun. Just take a whole spoonful. Have fun with it. Bang. Okay. Got that down there. Mix it up. We don't have to start stirring yet. Just all right. So now I guess we can start throwing our seasons in there. We're gonna start with some brown sugar, not measuring in anything. I'm just rocking out. That's how real cooks do it, though. You know? You feel it with your soul. And I've always been told I can really cook, so who knows? Bang, 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 bang. All right. So we know we're gonna have a little sweetness to it. Okay? Enough of this. We have a little cognac pepper. Okay? I was in the grocery store and looked at the Goya hot sauce and almost purchased it, but I said, forget it. We're gonna work with what we have in the kitchen. So I bought only a couple of seasonings. The rest I had. Potatoes look like they should be getting done soon, and they probably are done because everything's gonna cook in the boil later. That's gonna be a little too hot, but just a little more. Couldn't find the Cajun seasoning that I was looking for, so I was a little disappointed there. But we have some Creole seasoning, so that should give a Cajun flavor. Wow, we want horror. We want that. So we're having a crab boil, and we ain't playing no games. Okay. That's bam. Got some Old Bay. Give it that original crab flavor, seafood flavor. I put a lot of that, so make sure you balance that flavor out in there. Yeah, let's get a lot of that in there. Then we're gonna go with the wharf style, just straight crab seasoning. Put a little of that in there. That's not Old Bay, that's just straight pure crab seasoning. That's a little stronger than Old Bay. So we're gonna just put a little of that in there. Oh yeah, you going there, shawty. Shawty. We got some Magic seasoned blends for blackened redfish magic. So let's do it. Smells good. I'm popping it on in there. Popping it in there. Hold up. Hold up. Got a little parsley for the flake, for the little discoloration of it. So it's not fresh, so I mean, parsley does have some good things for you, but it's probably like the fresh parsley. It's still gonna be delicious. Would love to say it's gonna be nutritious, but can't do that. And we gotta make this video pretty short because we're already at 13 minutes, so we're gonna have to do some condensing. I think we got enough. We don't want too much of that pepper there. What we got here? Onion salt. Chili powder. Seasonings are very expensive, by the way, man. It almost costs more than the meal, the dish. When you add all the seasonings up, man, shoot, You better learn you a wholesale seasoning spot if you know like I know. Cause they will bust you. And look, you'll never use the seasonings again. Right? Right? But that's cool. We're not even worried about that. We just want to have fun and eat good. And eat good. All right. I think I'm gonna put a little more. Not too bad. All right, let's get the crabs off and just get them already perforated. Garlic is what we're about to add to the sauce in there. Fresh garlic, that is. Add this to the sauce. I'm not gonna cook these all the way because they, like I said, they're gonna cook in the boil. Okay, everything's looking good. Where we at now? We with the garlic with it. Hey. We're almost ready to add the water to the sauce. Lemon juice. I think that's cool. I think I'm gonna throw cumin in there real quick just to not a whole lot, but it's very strong, so it definitely will make its presence known. Very thick right now. Looks really good. Looks amazing, actually. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious. You can already tell. This sauce looks amazing. Amazing. I just want to eat the sauce, okay? Huh? Who would have thought that? That looks like perfection already, guys, huh? So we're gonna get some bottled water and add to it for now. We're not quite out of the pandemic. So don't trust the water in there. Shouldn't trust it. I don't know who put it in here. We're going too far with it. Don't do that. Let's go. Now the water just changes the whole consistency of it. It's fine though with me. Now, because I'm adding the water, I'm wondering, did I put enough herbs and spices up in here? I believe so. Okay, the brown sugar seems to have stuck a little to the pot. So I want to get that up there. I'm going to add some more water. Going to be really delicious. Oh yes, it's going to be good. Smell like something back in the day at Phillips. The sauce, mwah. And a little switch up on it. I'm wondering, should I throw the bouillon cube up in there? Let's see. Why not? It's a big bouillon cube. And a bay leaf. Throw a bay leaf up in there too. baby. And the bouillon cube. And that's gonna set this joint off. So whatever's missing will not be after this. Flavoration, can you say it? I should have broke it down. Hopefully. All right. Let's get these crabs going and stay tuned. Because we about to have us a crab boil, y'all. We'll be right back. And this is What is Food News. Catch you later. See you in a little bit. Hold up. Dang, it's heavy. As you good, do you got your little hot sauce? See, they ain't ready for this. I put the I'm having fun with it, but this is how I've always cooked. I've had fun with how I cook. So, now I've been looking up little alias recipes online and stuff, checked out some videos. So I'm doing some of the stuff they doing, but then I'm putting my jelly hand up in there. Why did I have to say jelly? You know what's going in there, y'all. You know what's going in there now. Because that's how I cook. I cook with the jelly. I cook with the jelly. Almost forgot. It wouldn't even be right if I didn't put the jelly up in there. This is What is Food News, but this is through Jelly Vision, and I am Jelly, so we getting right into it now. Having real fun with it, huh? They ain't ready for it, Slim. Got to go real with it. You know what I'm saying? Welchers, you need to get with me. Smuckers, whoever, you better see what's going on, man. Jelly got it going on over here. So we're gonna put this up in our dish in our crab boil. And this might be the real secret sauce to the thing. Let's rinse that off. We don't want to double dip it to touch that sauce and get in the jelly thing. Huh? Double dip them. Oh yeah, you having too much fun now, shorty. Cause that's what we do. That's what it's all about. Fun. You don't have fun with your food, I was gonna feed your soul. Real chef in the mix, man. From the city, man. What is Food News, man? Okay. Moving right along. Okay. So, matter of fact, these sausages are pretty cooked, so we can still work on our sauce and go right to the we're gonna keep working on this sauce. I'm now super inspired. We're gonna cook these crabs a little bit. Check us out. And bingo, it's going down. It's going down. Alright. Keep working on the sauce. Where you at with it? You wanna throw another stick of butter in there or nah? You think you're good? Definitely straight. Got a lot of food here. Let's go ahead and throw another half stick in there. And then we're gonna take a break, y'all. See you in 10. 5, 10, whatever. Yeah. It's so funny and I'm so excited about this because I remember one time I was trying to do something special for a special person and I bought this little thing thinking I was going to get the same result as a crafty crab and everything. I bought a bag from one of these grocery stores that said crab boil and threw it in there just like this thing you put in there and it just soaks, but it wasn't nothing. So everything's looking good. Let's take a look at this. And we're gonna take a break in a second. So right now I'm just super ecstatic. I done threw the jelly in there. Like anytime I used to cook on the grill, and so I don't grill as much. But yeah, The sauce is looking amazing. Threw another stick of butter in there. So we just excited, man. It's static. We're gonna continue to work on this, and when we come back, we're gonna just basically throw the crawfish, the shrimp, and the scallops right on in there. The potatoes, we're gonna cut them up, and the sausages are already ready. We're just getting the sauce together, and that'll give the crabs time to get done. And then we got our crab boil, baby. It ain't gonna take those down. So we have a lot of fun here, a lot of fun. So for the purpose of this video, it's not gonna be as long as it took. So we're already at 31 minutes. So yeah, maybe we should make the video 13 minutes. But all right, catch you later. Go take a break. Oh no, I'm taking a break. Y'all stay tuned.
Because of the food that you're eating and whatnot, and I said, what is food, man?
And we're back. Thanks for staying tuned in to What is Food News, and we are back to this exciting crab boil. And it looks like our sauce is ready, the crabs are ready. Now all we have to do is stir, mix, and eat. So I guess we're gonna throw in our things that need to cook more so now. So we got some shrimp. We've got some shrimp, they've already been rinsed, so we're gonna just throw them on in there. Fun, good thing you don't have to even season because you did the season in the sauce. So we're just gonna pour them in there. So we got the shrimp in there. Got some crawfish. Throw this crawfish up in there. My baby girl like crawfish. Throw that up in there. Bam. What else we got? What else we got? We got some scallops. We ain't gonna throw the whole bag of scallops in there because this is new. And if I don't like them, I don't want to waste scallops because I do like scallops. So we're just gonna put like just a little bit, a couple handfuls. You know? Baby scallops, couple, half a bag. Cool. All right. Now, guess we're gonna put our red potatoes in there and the sausages. All that up in there. With our grilled garlic. All right. Bring it to the fork. Now this looks like I say, perfection. And look at it, the shrimp I've already cooked, man. This thing is just amazing. So we let that soak in there. These gonna soak in there for a little bit. And we're gonna add these crabs, man. I can't wait any longer because they're done. They wanna go in the crab boil. See, they are some jealous crabs. You know what I'm saying? It was frozen, so we just let it cook in there. And I don't know if anybody noticed because during breaks I've been cleaning up as we've been going, so we keep a clean kitchen. I'm not really into the messy stuff. But when you're having fun and you're making good masterpieces, sometimes it can get quite messy, right? Man, I did get more food than I thought. That's why she was looking like that. Like crab leg, we gonna eat good tonight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now we just gotta figure out how to make sure everything gets seasoned and it gets in. Oh, that's why they make the bag. They put it in a bag and it's soaked. Because everything is really cooked. So now we just gotta, we gotta make sure every piece of food touches this sauce. So we just gonna basically move these legs around a little bit. Maybe I should have put the other stuff in there, but no, it's good. You know, this is new for me, so just having fun with it. But you can already see that seasoning just, yeah. Dinner is set. And so I think what I could do is play around with it a little bit. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play around with it to make sure the sauce get in everything. We're gonna clean this wok out, and we're gonna transfer it like a drink. When you take the drink and you go whoosh, 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 to make sure your drink and your alcohol to chaser ratio has that mixed in real good. That's what we want to do with these crabs. Okay. Show you how to mix it up, man. I do this on a professional level, right? So we're gonna mix them up, cause that's a lot, right? I hope we don't waste no sauce or nothing like that, but we gotta do this thing the right way. Gotta do it the right way. Gotta do it the right way, baby. See, we ain't gonna put ours in no bags or nothing, so that's what it is too. So get on up in there. Get on up in there. Okay. Let's see. This is the messy part. Alright. See, now everything's up in there. And then what we doing, we're gonna transfer it right back. We're gonna transfer everything right on back. Just to make sure it's all up in there. We want everything to touch the sauce. So that's what it's all about. Maybe we should have made it more of a sauce, but the sauce is potent. So I think we good. Heavy there. Oh, it's very potent. And it's starting to get up on there. We got one crab that got it all over there. So it's taking. Definitely taking. When you do it on a professional level, you just get better and better. That's what that means. Professional level. I do it a lot and I just get better. I ain't just doing it to be doing it. I take it serious so I only can get better. Apply that to anything you're doing in life. It ain't just about food. It's all about life, man. Because without food, you don't have no life, man. You're malnourished. You ain't living if you ain't eating, right? Man, I ain't eating, right? Right? So now we just pour it all over there. Get that flavoration all over that thing. You see how that look there? Huh? You wanna come a little close? Come on a little closer here. But we're gonna let this simmer a little bit. Maybe put a top over it. Put a little top over it. Look at that little shrimp right there. Trying to find this place in the crab boil. And that's all garlic right there. Right there. They gonna be loving me after this. Way did they get a load of your boy? What we? So I'm gonna let this simmer and let that juice absorb into the seafood and all of the meat and the food, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna just enjoy this. If you feeling inspired, make your own crab boil, make a video, make a post, whatever. Let me know what's up, man. Comment, share, link, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Stay safe. This is What is Food News. I'm acting like, hey, look, I'm so ready to eat. I'm like, man, take the cameras out of here. We about to eat. But I guess we could let y'all see a glimpse of this. But I'm ready to do my thing. So, yeah, man, just happy to be here and doing this food thing, man. Because food is, what is food, man? Food is amazing, man. It give you reasons. Because, like, even in this pandemic, that's basically what everybody, that's what's keeping you going. See what I'm saying? The food, it's life. It's motivation, it's inspiration. Food is all of those things because in all of this pandemic stuff, right? You go in the grocery store, you're getting used to food. That give you your normality. Like it make everything, when you sit down and eat your food, even with everything so unstable and just not normal, it gives you, it centers you. It gives you balance, all of those things like that. So you can sleep well, so you can think well, all of that. And I'm going through it because when I don't eat, I can't think and I can't sleep. So I'm excited, hungry, and hope y'all enjoy your own crab boil because you ain't going to enjoy mine, so I'm going to enjoy it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. So see you when I start eating, because I'm going to eat.
I'll take that spice. It's got hot up in here. And we back at the best part. We get to eat our homemade crab boil. And let me tell you folks, it's delicious. It's a little spicy, but it's delicious. I mean, it's hot. It's a different type of heat. One with love in it. Yeah, man. Try it yourself and let me know how it turned out, man. Until then, see you on the next What is Food News, baby. See you later. Peace. Good old corn. And that's a wrap.
Like 4 years. Oh, funny story. When we first met, my braids were only to here, and her hair was to here, but no braids.
These things are a little hot, man. My crab boil is coming to an end, my friend. When I tell you,
Sorry, I was just doing
I'm super satisfied with this experience and this purchase
You know, bizarre
and this experience.
bizarre and aardvark combined. It's called
I don't have any other words for you. All this thing make you do is go, it's good, that's flavor. I done got into it.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I don't know what else to say, so I'm hurting off of the good flavoration. And I'm hurting as far as the itis. I'm ready to go lay it down. I'm scared because once I go to sleep, it's hard to get me up. I might try to fight you to wake me up. And I'm in a good sleep, man. What you doing? Leave me alone. Don't wake me. I'm dreaming. Girl, don't wake me. Put a little sauce on there, man. Since we had fun with this. And now we gone for real. Woo! Oh, I got a little more. Crab ain't got nothing on me, Slim.
I'm Rory Finch, and this is Ned.
Chesapeake, Joe, Hot and Juicy, none of them. I'm the man. Call me Captain Jelly. Call me Captain Jelly. It's me. We going deep sea diving out here, boy. I found me a new career up in the seafood.
Simple for modern eating. Fatty, fatty, fatty.